This series will teach you the basic command line commands for a Linux-based operating system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to traverse your files and create directories. So I'll be using the OS X terminal, but these commands are pretty universal for Linux-based operating systems. The first thing I want to show you is the ls command. ls stands for list segments, which means it's just going to list out everything inside of the directory or folder that you're currently working in. For example, I'm in the top directory for this specific user right now, and I want to list out all the directories inside of it. So I type in ls and hit enter, and as you can see, it has listed all the directories and files that are available for me. So if I want to navigate to a specific directory or folder, I'll use the cd command. cd stands for change directory, and its function is pretty self-explanatory. So let's change directories to documents and list out everything inside the documents directory. So because we've already listed out the contents of this specific directory I'm currently working in, I see documents is inside of this directory, so I type in cd space and documents. And remember, whenever you're changing directories, whatever you type in, it's case sensitive. So, and I hit enter. Now I have successfully navigated to another directory. So let's see what's inside this folder. The way we do this again is using the ls command. So ls and hit enter, and now we can see that inside of documents I have a folder or directory called research papers. So because we only have one thing inside of this directory, let's create a new folder called tutorials. The way we create a new directory is using the make directory command. Or MKDIR. This stands for make directory, and again its function is pretty self-explanatory. So I will type in make directory or make dir space and the name of the directory I want to create. In this case it's tutorial. So I type in tutorial and hit enter, and now I have successfully created a folder or directory called tutorial. So how do we see if that's true? So I'm inside of documents now, and I want to list out everything that's inside of documents. So I use the ls command, and we can see that there's research papers and tutorial in there. So I have indeed created the tutorial directory. So if we want to go back to a directory that we were previously working in, we can use the cd command again because we are changing directories. So the way we do this is we type in cd followed by period, which just means let's go back one directory from where we currently are. So if I type this in and hit enter, how do we know if we went back? So again, let's do the ls command, and we see that we have gone back to the top directory that we were working on. So in the next video, I will show you how to remove directories, remove files, and also create different files.